knows karate. You would like people. You see some fucking say kung fu or you say karate. And that, right. That's lots of like, oh shit. Oh, but he said beg for forgiveness. Yeah. No. See, I'm great. And he goes, so why don't you go back to China?
Where is Felix tonight?
I don't know.
I didn't.
Hey, your voice just went on video. We are at Redondo Beach. Right here, where all the boats are. See all the people watching. Say hi, Gordon. It's my friend Gordon, his girlfriend. I got these guys who aren't even paying attention to the fireworks over here. There you go. That's Hayato right there. Giving a thumbs up. I'm really glad I got this new phone in time for 4th of July. Wow. Ooh. That's pretty.
Right. Yeah.